Hello everybody! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube Creative Studio. Today it's not a report from Wellica shop, it's not a summary of my project, it's not a video tutorial, it's just a quick vlog where I want to say thank you so much for your attention, for your support, for your comments, for spending time with me, because guys, you know, you are amazing. The number of subscribers increased to 30,000 already, so there are 30,000 persons, crocheters who support me, who regularly watch my video tutorials, and I'm so happy that yeah, this number is great. And I also want to thank you so much to Wellica shop confirmed that they will be a partner for year 2025. Great, guys. So in next year, Wellica will be partner of my reports, and they allowed me to visit their shops and prepare the video reports for you. So I will review their skeins, I will find new skeins for you, and yeah, I will revise them and give you, you know, the recommendation about them. So guys, next year again with Wellica. And also thank you so much, Wellica, for this calendar. This is amazing and big inspiration for me. There are animals every month, a new one, and it's also great motivation and inspiration. So maybe some toys, animals will be prepared as a video tutorial for you. Okay, so Wellica is a company which surprised me this year so much. They produced many new yarns. Maybe you remember two amazing yarn with bambushka, and the new yarn with linen, aura. Last month it was Wellica, a new 100% cotton, really tiny yarn which I used really highly to make Christmas decoration. Now it's yarn lassie, which I have already on my hook, and Lurex yarn Priya. So many bright colored skeins. So yeah, I'm so happy that I can cooperate with them and use their yarns. And you know, there are many games and giveaways, and I make a list of them because I will continue to prepare a great fun for you, and I want you to be happy and to have fun in my community. So guys, I will continue to prepare every month a new report from the Wellica shop. There will be new yarns and also the new products, and you know, I'm working on the seasonal project. So example, before Christmas I prepared many video tutorials for Christmas decorations, for summer tops, crop tops, sun hats, and so on. So always I will look on the seasonal yarns and skeins, and there will be a new game for the skein to try. It's a secret skein which is chosen by Ivana Albrechtová, the owner of the Wellica, and there will be one skein to try for one winner per month. and there will be a special hashtag or a code or password, so I will know that you are playing on this skein and you are interested in this game. Guys, there will be also the game, I think every month, where you can play and try a new skein. It will be ad hoc, but the new skein is published, and we usually you usually use Instagram for this game because it's really quick and easy. And what is going to be a new giveaway in next year? It's a game for skeins which you can choose. So according to your choice, up to 3 balls or half a kilo of kilograms. Okay. I will announce these games in advance on my social media, so you will have a good time to prepare for this game, and I will see, maybe it will be some photo shoot or so. Definitely there will be 2 games. One will be on my Facebook page, which is public, available for everyone, and one is in my Facebook group for beginners, crocheters, and it's a school of crocheting. So I think about 4 times per year, so let's say in winter, spring, summer and fall, I will run this game and giveaway. Guys, we started the next temperature project together, which is amazing. It's a rainbow caterpillar temperature project, which I will do during next year. We already prepared the temperature scale from yarn dolly, and this is how I would like to my caterpillar have once we finish after 12 months. So 1 ball for 1 month, January, February, March, etc., and we will finish with the 9th month on the December. So this is my plan on the temperature project, and I hope you will join me with the rainbow caterpillar or another temperature project, and you will share your projects, pictures, and we can compare, and yeah, I think it could be also a big fun. The next, I will visit Wellica shop, and once per month I would like to invite you for an appointment. We can have a fun meeting there and discuss our projects. I can assist and help you with your project, and yeah, we can spend a half day, let's say on Saturday morning, together, and then once the store will be closed, we can go for a coffee. So okay, so I will announce this in let's say 2 weeks ago, before this meeting in the shop. Then guys, again, I will continue publishing my video tutorials. They are completely for free, available on the YouTube channel. I don't have any restrictions, any limits for you, and also the written patterns on my blog are completely for free for everybody. Okay, so this is perfect, and I know that you appreciate it, because some YouTubers you know, prepare the video tutorials only for the subscribers, for the members, and so on, but I think I will do it as I do in my way, and everybody. So I would like to continue at least 4 video tutorials per month, and maybe more. And what I will also publish is an ebook. Last year I prepared ebook with my video tutorials and the patterns, and there were more than 60 patterns available for you, and it was a great success. There are more than 1050 downloads of this ebook. Again, it's completely for free, so for everyone, and it's only what you need, what you only need to do to get this ebook is to complete the form to let me know what is the level of your skill of crocheting, and during this year it was more than 70% beginners and advanced beginners. So I will continue to prepare video tutorials mainly for beginners and advanced beginners because I know that this is my audience. And guys, I was thinking also about some workshops for you, but you know, my capacity is quite limited with 3 kids and my job and so many activities I already do for you, and yeah, so yeah, maybe let's say 1-2 workshops per year I will try to prepare for you, but yeah, I will see according to my time and capacity. But if you want me to prepare workshops, please let me know, and yeah, I will try to organize it. So guys, this is it. This is my last vlog in this year, and I would like to thank you so much guys for your support. I know I told it at the beginning of this video, and I want to tell it once again because it's so important for me. And yeah, guys, I would like to wish you a very merry holidays, spending with your relatives, with your families, with your friends, kids and grandkids, everybody you love. I know that you prepared beautiful gifts for them, and they will warm them, not only with made with wool, but they are handmade, and this is the best what you can do for your loved ones. I also made so many gifts. So guys, have a very merry Christmas and holiday time, and I would like to wish you in for the next year prosperity, creativity, many colorful, bright projects, many crocheters advantages, and yeah, have fun and stay in touch. Guys, I really love you. Guys, so bye for now, and see you at the beginning of January with my next report. Bye.